Hi, so I've got an update on that ad I created last week, and there's a couple of interesting things here. One is that, not surprisingly, the expanded text ad, which Google want to get rid of, has worked best over the course of the last week. So better click-through rate, lower cost per click, at 25p compared to 33 and 34. The ad I prepared, which Google doesn't like, so it gives it a score of poor because I'm making Google do it the way I want it, has beaten the other control, which is just doing what it wants to. Not resoundingly, but slightly better, and therefore the cost per click is slightly less. So that's always good. And then if we have a look at the asset details, I'm just going to try something else now, as this is just a test to show you how to play with it, away with these things. 28% on this one, where the ad copy is very tightly scripted. So I've never tried this, so I thought, well, let's put it on here. So I've copied that, screen grabbed that already. I'm just going to copy the description text there, and I'm going to see if I can just literally take that ad and make it the only ad that Google sees. So I'm going to, let's keep the original one going. I know it's slightly more, but just for the purpose of this experiment, and actually let's bin that and pause it, and then we'll create this new ad, which I'm just going to copy that other ad from. So if I pull that up, and then on here I can just copy across. All I want is that headline: find solicitors near me now. That's number one. Number two is going to be need a solicitor near you. I'm going to pin that to number two, and then line three, let's just do free inquiry, because it won't let me not have a line 3. Or if I want it to be the same as need a solicitor near you, let's change it to that, because that's the one that's worked best. I want it to be as closely matched to that as possible. So I've just got 1, 2, 3, unpin those because there's nothing in them. And then description wise, I just want to steal what's already here. That's going to be 1, this will be 2, and I'll get rid of the others. And then we'll empty that. And let's see how you like them apples, Google. So I've been very tight there on what Google can do. It won't like it. It's definitely going to give me a poor score. But let's see if we can beat that, and then the next play we could always play with what we've got on here, our expanded text ad. But let's see where we are next week. But it's a success. It's not resounding, slightly better. Let's see what happens over the course of the next week.